Hi there, Year 7. Welcome to another virtual assembly this week. Not a lot for us to discuss today, but there are some really lovely tutor videos at the end of this assembly, so do keep watching out for them. We're just going to quickly talk about a few things today, so just some special mentions and congratulations. We're introducing the Year 7 Breakfast Club, so I'll explain what that is. I'll just remind you about the Head of Year Challenge, and then we're having some tutor messages at the end of today. So some important information for you here. First of all, just a couple of special mentions and congratulations. Well done to everyone on the board here. So I'll just talk through these. Alfie and 7O, really well done for your drama work. Miss Mosley has told us that work has been better than or as good as some Year 10 work. So you should be really proud of that, especially as you've been working on it from home. So that's absolutely fantastic. Well done. Nathan and Chris, well done for your 100% submission in history. You've shown that you're carrying on working extremely hard through lockdown. So that's absolutely fantastic. Really well done. And well done to Joshua and Poppy for your Head of Year challenges. Joshua, your video that you've created has been absolutely brilliant. It's really kept everyone at the Forest Academy going. It's brought us a lot of joy. So well done for that. And Poppy, well done for all of your hard work and for keeping us up to date on what you're doing. It's absolutely brilliant. So everyone on the board, they'll be receiving a certificate for their hard work. Joshua and Poppy, for your Head of Year challenges, you'll also be receiving a prize. So really well done, everyone on the board there. You've done really well. So keep that up. I'm just going to introduce to you the Year 7 Breakfast Club. So this is something that we're going to introduce on Monday morning on the 1st of February at 8:30 on Microsoft Teams. And this will literally just be a time when we can all catch up as a year group, and everyone's free to talk and we can just see how we're all doing. So it's as if it's a time when you'd be coming into school, or a form time, for example, when you're there to catch up with people. There'll also be a short quiz where you can win some prizes. So do come and get involved. It's a time where you can have your breakfast, catch up with other people, catch up with me and Miss English, and we can all just see how we're all getting on. So do come and join us. It'll only be about 20 minutes before your lessons start on Monday and can really get you ready for the day. Just wanted to remind you about our Head of Year challenge as well. So this is a time when you can show us that you're doing something that you really love, so you can focus on something that isn't just your schoolwork. So do keep us updated with anything you're doing that you're enjoying. So that can literally be anything. It can be any films you've watched, any books you've read, any cakes you've made, anything that you've done. Let us know what you're up to. Send in a picture or a short update of what you've been up to away from school. You can send it to my email address there. And as I've said before, all entries will receive a prize, and there's special prizes that go to the entry that we find the best and the most inspiring. For the rest of the assembly now, Year 7, I'm just going to show you some tutor messages. So do keep watching for your tutor, and we'll speak to you very soon. So take care.
Hi Year 7s, Miss English here. I hope that you're all well. We are really missing you lot, so we thought we'd get the tutors and myself and Mr. Lupton to just put a little video together for you guys, just so that you can see us, and we can just have a little chat to you about some of the things that we've been up to. So I was just sitting having a look actually out the window here behind me, which is obviously your Year 7 area. And it's a real shame that we're not out there every day with you guys and chatting to you. So we really do miss you. Just wanted to say well done for everything that you are doing. We do appreciate how difficult it is for you at the moment. It is tough for everybody. I know that staff are also finding it really tough, and hopefully we will be able to welcome you back into school as soon as possible. We've put some superstars at the end of the assembly just to share some of the successes, so well done. We're seeing lots and lots of students' names coming up on there. Do continue to take part in the challenges. Myself and Mr. Lupton today are sending out lots of prizes. These are just some of them for those that are taking part in the challenges. So just some little gifts to send home to you, and bits and pieces that you can get on with at home. Please do keep in touch with us. Do let us know what you are doing, and we hope to see you all very soon. Take care.
Hi, Year 7s. I hope you are keeping well and remaining positive. And it's good to see that you're all still working hard on your schoolwork despite it not being in the normal way. While still working hard, it's still important to get enough rest, keep as active as possible, and just stay away from the laptops where you can, because it can get you. I know it's getting to me sometimes as well. Guys, we're all in this together. I hope you guys are keeping well, and I see you guys going back at school. All the best.
Hello, Year 7. Hopefully you're all doing well and trying to survive this lockdown. Again, this is Mr. Constantine, so I am 7O's new form tutor. So hopefully you guys are all doing well. And I'm also 7S's new science teacher, so I'm looking forward to seeing both of you guys when you come back from lockdown. Hopefully everyone and your families are all well. Very quickly, just one or two things about myself throughout this lockdown. I've been doing is, since it was my birthday a couple of weeks ago, I have been reading Arsene Wenger's autobiography, because I'm quite a big Arsenal fan, so I've been obsessed with that very recently. But again, hopefully you're all doing well. Hopefully I should see you very, very, very soon.
Hi Year 7, it's Miss Briggs here. Just want to say, hope you're all keeping well and safe during this lockdown period. I know it's quite different not being able to come to school, especially in Year 7 when you've not been here for too long. But just make sure that you are still keeping up all the great work that you are doing. I've been looking through all of our submissions with regards to geography, for example, and I've seen some really, really great work. So please keep that up. I know lockdown isn't the funnest thing, but there are some things that you can do to make the days just that little bit more interesting. Please make sure you obviously get out and about. So for example, in lockdown, outside of school hours, I've been going on lots of different walks. So for those of you who know me, you know that I have a dog. I've been taking her on lots of different walks, long walks around the different areas which we have. So different big parks, which both myself and obviously she has enjoyed. So please make sure you do get out and about. It's really good in terms of fresh air and exercise, but it's also really nice just of a change of scenery. It's good for the brain. So just make sure you are staying safe and healthy, and hopefully we will all see you soon. But keep up the fantastic work.
Hello, Year 7. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, whenever you are watching this. So, this is Mr. Ahmed here. So, my form group 7E. I hope you're all doing well, and the rest of the Year 7 as a whole. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Okay, as you can see, most of you will know what this is. It's called a Bitmoji. Okay, so I've been spending the past couple of days using a Bitmoji. I knew a bit about Snapchat, but not much about Bitmoji, so I'm just getting the hang of it and make some fine little cartoons. So we're back at school. However, I know it's not the way that we want. It's all virtual, and you can't really see your friend, you can't socialize, but that doesn't mean you should stop talking to your friends. Okay, so after school hours, when it's not school time, you can talk to your friends, FaceTime them, maybe just go out for a walk, follow the government guidelines as well. So what I've been doing as well, I've been watching a lot of Netflix. I've also been going on walks. So I've been going to my local Tesco, I've been walking there. Of course, like, just get some fresh air to make us feel mentally well. Okay, so I haven't heard anything from your science teacher, which is a good thing. Okay, so I hope you're all doing your work. All right, as you can see, I got another little cool cartoon here with my name on it, and this kind of fun. And guys, knowledge is power. Okay, so please make sure that just because you're at home doesn't mean you're on holiday. Okay, we're still running school as normal. Please follow your timetable. Please check your timetable every day. So every school night, please check your timetable and see what lesson you have to be prepared for. See if the teacher has put anything on Show My Homework. Also, make sure you're submitting all your work on Show My Homework as well. All right. Also, if you have any questions, if you'd like to email me or contact me, you can contact me at oahmed@thefirstacademy.co.uk. So if you have any sort of questions, you can just email me and I can sort it out for you. So I hope you all stay safe and take care.
Hello, Year 7. It's Mrs. Johns in the snow. I hope you're well, and I hope you are also having snow, or you've had snow by the time you watch this video, and you're able to get out in it. I have looked it up. Unfortunately, I've banned my boys and me from playing snowball fights with neighbours like we normally do, because the coronavirus can survive. So it's getting heavier and heavier, and I'm really excited. Okay, so yeah, hope you're well. Hope online learning, you're surviving all of that, and you are keeping yourself fit and healthy. Try not to work too hard, get yourself out and do some exercise, and yeah, take care basically. So hope you get some snow and you are able to go and play out in it, and see you soon. Bye.